Hey everyone, in this video I'll share with you the Twirl poker chip trick. So first thing you want to do is hold 3 chips with your index, middle, and ring finger. To move the front and back chips, leaving the middle, use the tip of your thumb to slide the outside chips slightly up. Then lean the thumb in slightly to add a very light pressure on the inside chip, which will leave the middle chip without any hole, so it will slowly slide down. The 2 fingers that will hold the outside and inside chips, the white chips, are the thumb and index fingers. Catch the middle chip, the green chip, that slides down with your index and ring finger. Holding the middle chip with the pressure from your index and ring finger, use your middle finger to spin the chip 180 degrees. And then you just slide the middle chip back into place using your middle and ring finger. And you keep repeating the process. Well, that's it. That's the Twirl poker chip trick. Thanks for watching. Hope the video was helpful. Please do leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.